I don't know, it's hard to tell. Can you see?
Oh.
Can you see?
Yes, he's sitting on them. I recorded them. He's so cute. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, guys. Just checking on the baby budgies.
Moving. I'll have to wait a few days.
Open it properly.
Oh, lift her up, quick. Lift her up to have a look. Come here, quick. Look, simple.
So yeah, guys, I was just finishing moving the rabbits and stuff, and the video cut out. Alright, I know the cage looks small for my mirror, but she's getting a bigger cage. Don't you guys worry. Snowball's also getting a cage too. Hi, Snowball. There, boy. So yeah, we get to move Snowball. So the video cuts out. If you want to subscribe, I'm just gonna rake all the. Our video is up. Sound. Is it okay?